I built Prelude, a platform that handles candidate outreach, runs AI voice interviews, and scores every candidate automatically. I'm Natasha and I build products with AI, and now you can too. I'll discuss about the database, auth, flow of interviews with a deep dive into the code, and finally the end-to-end workflow. So I went with Superbase, which basically bundles the database, the authentication, and the storage, making it easy for me to handle it all in one place. And for authentication, you can see that every time a recruiter signs up, the details are going to be stored over here. And I've set up the ID for sending out an email for authenticating the recruiter's credentials. Let's look at the database. It is essentially a relational database that is Postgres under the hood. Now, how are these tables actually structured? So the data model is such that each recruiter has certain campaigns, each campaign has a list of candidates, and each candidate has an interview link, recording, and transcript. In case they want to reschedule, then you have the reschedule details as well. See the table stored over here with the campaign attributes, candidates, interview links assigned, the interview transcript, the time, the recruiter profile, and so on. I can also see where the recordings have been saved. Now let's dive deeper into the code. There are 5 APIs in total: sending the invite, starting the interview, holding the interview session, completing the interview, and analyzing the interview. Let's take a look at how the interview session is held. We first need to build the system prompt that tells the AI interviewer how to behave. By giving it a sort of persona, you can see over here I have given it to be warm, be a friendly hiring manager. It should also follow some certain rules. This could be for certain scenarios, closing of the call, and so on. The interview structure consists of a question list which is set by the recruiter. We then call the OpenAI's real-time API to create a session and pass the system prompt into the instructions field. After the interview, the script is analyzed by another model so that it can convert the conversation into a scorecard. We start by telling the AI who it is, an expert recruiter reviewing a screening interview, and we give it context like the role title and the campaign description. Then we give the exact output structure that we want, that is the communication, fit, and motivation scores from 1 to 5. Next is the rubric, guiding it with what each value for that score actually means. Let's look at how the candidates get the interview links. The Send Invite API essentially uses resend to send the emails. It takes 4 things: the candidate's name, the email, a unique token, and a campaign title. The token is used to build the personal interview URL that points straight to the candidate session. This is the email that is sent out to the candidate. It expires in 48 hours and allows rescheduling as well. Okay, and we're almost done. To tie it all together, here's the entire workflow. A candidate speaks into their mic, GPT Real-Time runs the interview over WebRTC, the browser's audio context API mixes both these voices, GPT-4o transcribe turns it into a transcription, and our scoring engine combines that transcript with the system prompt to return a clean structured score. I'm leaving this diagram so you can dive deeper if you want to build something similar. Thanks for watching.